program in short. Thank you.
కథలు మాటలు చెప్పే వరమై రాడాని నాన్నా
పెదవులలో పలికెనులే మధుర సరా
योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तम प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तम प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तम प्रवस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन
सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने बन ठन के निकले हम, रोके से ना रुके हम, मर्जी से चले सावन सा बरसे हम, सूरज सा चमके हम, स्कूल चले हम, स्कूल चले हम, हो स्कूल चले हम, हो
Now I invite Mrs. Ravi Lakshmi for lighting up the lamp. Song lights and joy. Without taking much of your time, we would like to start the program. Well, here you are. Today we have rainbow of programs to entertain ourselves with the enthusiastic performances of our young ones. At this age, children coming on the stage is a very big achievement. Do encourage our children by giving a huge round of applause. Now parents, please sit back and enjoy the mesmerizing performances of our children. Performance Welcome Dance by S. Sahasra from UKG. Please give her a huge round of applause.
नमो नमो नटराजा जय जय नमो जगत्रय नाट्य स्वरूपा नमो नमो नटराजा जय जय नमो जगत्रय नाट्य स्वरूपा नमो नमो नटराजा रक्ति नीवे अनुरक्ति विनीवे गीति नीवे संगीतमु नीवे रक्ति नीवे अनुरक्ति विनीवे गीति नीवे संगीतमु नीवे राग ताल लय रस स्वरूपा राग ताल लय रस स्वरूपा नित्य सत्य साहित्य कलापा नमो नमो नटराजा जय जय नमो जगत्रय नाट्य स्वरूपा नमो नमो नटराजा చెదరిపోవును శేషుని శిరము బెదరిపోవును దిక్కుంజరము ఆదరిపోవును అవని స్థలము చెదరిపోవును శేషుని శిరము బెదరిపోవును దిక్కుంజరము ఆదరిపోవును అవని స్థలము పాదము కదల్సకు కరము విడలసకు నమో నమో నటరాజ జయ జయ నమో జగత్రయ నాట్య స్వరూప నమో నమో నటరాజ ఢం ఢం రోగెను ఢంకారావం భం భం రోగెను శంకారావం ధిమిత్ ధిమితయను వాద్య మృదంగం ఢం ఢం రోగెను ఢంకారావం భం భం రోగెన్ శంకారావం ధిమిత్ ధిమితయను వాద్య మృదంగం కుహు కుహు అనుగంగాతరంగం నమో నమో నటరాజ జయ జయ నమో జగత్రయ నాట్య స్వరూప నమో నమో నటరాజ జయ జయ నమో జగత్రయ నాట్య స్వరూప నమో నమో నటరాజ
Principal Madam, Mrs. Mallam Lakshmi. She is the embodiment of the walking the extra mile and never throwing in the towel. With her dedication and determination, She has cheered our school through storms and kept her eye on the pride. Now I please request our Honorable Principal Madam, Mrs. Mallam Lakshmi, onto the dais to Smart Kids Preschool Annual Report. Please join me in the hearty round of applause to honor her remarkable journey and leadership.
Good evening, everyone. Dear invited dignitaries, phenomenal parents, and my dear teachers and Smart Kids children, a very pleasant evening to you all. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all to my 5th annual day celebration. Once again, I express my gratitude to honor you all for making it a priority for coming to our annual day function. Our school provides an exemplary education experience that integrates a global perspective to our students not only excels in academics, but they also value of integrity, leadership, strength in compassion for others. I'm sure I need not to introduce myself. Mallam Lakshmi, as a principal of Smart Kids Old Alwal, opened the branch on March 26, 2016. And I'm proud to tell you all that as of now, I have 90 students. This was only support from our parents and my support staff. Thank you very much, my dear teachers and staff. Let me now begin my annual report with the different activities conducted during this year. The academic year began with an introductory meet conducted for parents to help them get acquainted with the curriculum and day-to-day activities conducted throughout the year. Children enjoyed their first day of school along with the parents. Our academic year began with Father's Day celebration. Children gave the greeting cards made by the school and showed their gratitudes towards their father. We celebrated all the national festivals, 15th August and International Yoga Day, World Peace Day, with lot of zeal and enthusiasm. The color days like green color day, yellow color day, purple color day, red color day, orange color day, pink color day were celebrated during the children come in respective color dresses by getting the objects and the charts with lot of excitement. As a part of Children's Week, we had part of a picnic where we enjoyed their heart's content. Fancy dress competition was conducted as a part of Children's Week where parents strived hard to make their children look as different as possible, for which they need really appreciated. Apart from this, there were regular trips as we have visited to Forest Academy as a part of Environment Day, Post Office, Railway Station, Market. These activities conducted as per the syllabus plan. We create a different platform for children in day-to-day activities, giving them a practical learning like storytelling, puzzle activities, and physical games. Social service like Share and Care program by taking children to an orphanage for donating the materials offered by our children. We convey a heartfelt thank to all the parents for contribution generously and making our event a grand success. We have celebrated all the festival irrespective of religion like Ramzan, Varalakshmi Vratam, Krishna Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Batkamma, Dashera, Diwali, Christmas and Sankranti. Not only academics, we also strive for moral ethics and respect to the family. We have celebrated Family Day where grandparents and parents enjoyed to their heart extent, leaving all their busy schedule aside. We thank each and every parent being a part of a family member. On 5th September, we have celebrated Teachers' Day. Children showed their respect towards their teachers. On 16 December, we have organized a fun fest with the different topics. Children gave their best by explaining the given topics to the parents, nursery children with their vegetable seller costumes and selling the vegetables. Each year lays the foundation for new ideas, improvement in the year to come. The coming year is promising and defining too. So it is to move on. Our aim is to guide all our children on their individual journey of learning and giving them a very required best skills, thereby laying a strong foundation to build their future. In all these efforts, we need all our parents to partner with us. After all, holistic education of our children is our common zeal. So without wasting much of your time, let us begin with an unfold various events waiting. I hope all enjoy the evening while our little angels spread their magic by displaying their talents. Thank you once again. A very pleasant evening to you all.
Thank you, Principal Madam, for your exemplary leadership and insights of our school. Now, all our little tots of Smart Nursery are going to perform on song Waka Waka and Tutpur. Rishan, Rutvik, Sharvik, Vishrut, Adnan, Vedansh, Arnav,
You're a good soldier, choosing your battles. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fall, get up, oh, oh, and if you fall, get up, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, cause this is Africa. Samina, mina, eh, eh, waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, this time for Africa.
जश्नबाजी की शाम है, जश्नबाजी की शाम है। तिरकिट ताल पे ठुमके लगाए तालिमा। जान ले वहाँ तेरी अदा, जान ले वहाँ तेरी अदा। दिल वाले पिया का दिल चुराए तालिमा।
तेरी शैतानियों से महफिल रंगीन हुई, तू दीवाना हुआ मैं भी शौकीन हुई। दुनिया जलती है तो जले, दुनिया जलती है तो जले। रात भर जालिमा के संग नचे तालमा।
Is the performance over? That's leaving me speechless. Thank you, children.
Mucha mama, ani au santa tuka. Mucha mama, ani au santa tuka. Ani madori chapila lagi selu mandinata. Ani madori chapila lagi selu mandinata. Undir mama I love, ani pachi pona liplo. Undir mama I love, ani pachi pona liplo. Ani madori chapila nataka yaka kasa nailo. Ani madori chapila nataka yaka kasa nailo. Ya ya maya ya, 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 ya ya maya ya.
Hello rockstar, I'm your angel. Hello rockstar, I am single. Mr. Rockstar, out the mingle. Chal chal rockstar, chedam jingle. Okay, anara, gana garuda, undi girlfriend, undi pandaga chesi break up by boda. Autos no cortar, autos no cortar. Autos no cortar, rockstar ni style ko like cortar. Autos no cortar, autos no cortar, autos no cortar, rockstar ni style ko like cortar.
Oh Maria Pitache, 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 oh Maria Pitache. Marrata tamam miluzi, ishteti kompir. Marrata tamam miluzi, ishteti kompir. Alegna entrada miluzi, ishtine sair. Alegna entrada miluzi, ishtine sair. Por amor da faixa miluzi, eu fico soldado. Por amor da faixa miluzi, eu fico soldado. Fazer a sentinela miluzi, levar chicotada. Fazer a sentinela miluzi, levar chicotada. Oh Maria Pitache, 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 oh Maria Pitache. Anda Maria danza.
With their mesmerizing performance. Thank you, children. Girls to perform on Choti Si Asha, Aaj Main Upar. Participants of this song are Surya Sanvi, Rachel, Priyanshi, Manaswini, Ishani, Vedanshi, Sri Naina,
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली
of applause. Wow, don't you think at this age they have nailed their performance so well? Now we have class award for Smart Play and the award is Best Reading Rock Stars. I request Smart Play teacher Mrs. Soumya Reddy along with her play children to receive the award. I request Mrs. Mallam Lakshmi to present the award. Please give them a huge round of applause. Smart Nursery Academic Awards. All-rounder award goes to Trishika. D. Sai award. Give him a huge round of applause, parents. Star of the Year award goes to V. Aryan Krishna Reddy. Sanchita. Sorry, Star of the Year.
Best Student Award goes to Krishna. Best Student Award goes to Nikshit. Best Student Award goes to Gitansh. And Best Student Award goes to Sai Nitin Yadav. Sanvi Nitin Yadav, I'm sorry. Best attendance goes to Sai Shivanshi. Best attendance goes to Chaitwik. Best attendance goes to Srinihita. Best attendance goes goes to Shreya Gayatri. Best attendance goes to Jonal. Come on parents, they need a huge round of applause. They are our academic stars.
Sir. Now we have our smart senior boys and girls are going to perform on retro.
Playgroup parents to please come and pick your child because we have finished off with their performance. Only playgroup children.
Now we have our smart senior boys and girls are going to perform on retro. Participants of this song are Bhavyansh Dhruvika, Satvik Sahasra, Vignesh Tanusri, Vishnu Sajjan and Ritvika, Gautam Anaya,
1.
मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आए रुक मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू, चलिया तू चलिया। मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आए रुक मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू, चलिया हाथ चलिया।
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल, प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल।
कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल, कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल।
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल।
कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल।
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल।
Award goes to C. Tejansh.
Everybody mellow down right now, mellow down.
Please give her a huge round of applause, parents. All-rounder goes to S. Sahasra. Please give her a huge round of applause, parents. Star of the Year award goes to Anaya Manoj Joshi. Please give her a huge round of applause, parents.
Mellow down.
Star of the Year goes to Jay Vignesh. Please give him a huge round of applause, parents. Best Student Award goes to Dhruvika. For a huge round of applause, parents. Best Student Award goes to Tanvika. Please give her a huge round of applause, parents.
Everybody mellow
Best
down.
Student Award goes to Ritvika. Please give her a huge round of applause, parents. Best Student Award goes to Vishnu Sajjan. huge round of applause, parents. Best Student Award goes to Suhansika. Please give her a huge round of applause, parents. Best Student Award goes to Satvik. Please give him a huge round of applause, parents. Good Conduct Award goes to Jay Karthik. Jay Karthik. Please give him a huge round of applause, parents. Good Conduct Award goes to G. Shivanya. Please give her a huge round of applause, parents. Good Conduct Award goes to Bhavyansh. Please give him a huge round of applause, parents. Good Conduct Award goes to Gautam Nanda. Please give him a huge round of applause, parents. Good Conduct Award goes to Tanushree. Please give her a huge round of applause, parents. Good Conduct Award goes to Nandit. Good Conduct Award goes to Mrudula. Good Conduct Award goes to Shravani. Best Attendance Award goes to Snikit Kumar Gupta. Best Attendance Award goes to Umesh. Best Attendance Award goes to Jnaneshwari.
I request Jnaneshwari to join from audience. Come, Jnaneshwari.
class award for Smart Senior, and the award is Best Academic Excellency Award. I request Smart Senior teacher Mrs. Madhavi along with her students to receive the award. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am, for Smart Nursery, and the award is Best Rising Star Award. Now I request Mrs. Lakshmi to present the award. A huge round of applause. Yashika, Suhansika, Shravani, Sharanya.
छोकरी संतरे की टोकरी घर तो छुड़वाया अब क्या छुड़ाएगी नौकरी
रोमियो रोमियो कल के रोमियो भोली शक्ल वाले सर के सरे परे पियो रोमियो रोमियो भड़के प्रेमियो काहे गल पड़े हो बिन बुलाए बारातियों
ये तो गई गले जा संग में नाम ले जा ये तो चोरी से ऐसी ना सोरी कभी लगे मोनालिसा कभी कभी लगे ललिता और कभी जैसे कादम्बरी हाय मेरी परम 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 सुंदरी हाय मेरी परम 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 सुंदरी
सर से पैर तलक बेतहाशा हुस्न से भरी
हाय मेरी परम 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 सुंदरी
Thank you, children, for your energetic performance. Family theme, which is dedicated to our grandparents and parents from Smart Kids family. Participants of this song are Umesh, Mrudula, Praninidhi, Keshav Kumar, Jay Karthik, Ritvika Snikit, Anaya Satvik, Sahasra Jay Vignesh, Tanushri Nandit, Suhansika, Tejansh, Tanvika Bhavyansh, Dhruvika Gautam, Shravani Vishnu, Shivanya.
देते हैं बहुत गुस्से में होके भी हमें प्यार देते हैं उनके होठों पर हमेशा दुआएं होती है ऐसे करने वाले सिर्फ और सिर्फ हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स होते हैं
तू ही तो जन्नत मेरी तू ही मेरा जुनू तू ही तो मन्नत मेरी तू ही रूह का सुकून तू ही अखियों की ठंडक तू ही दिल की है दस्तक और कुछ ना जानू मैं बस इतना ही जानू
भगवान हर कहीं नहीं हो सकता इसीलिए उन्होंने नाना और नानी को बनाया
तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं सजदे सर झुकता है यारा मैं क्या करूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं
दादा और दादी वो नहीं जिनसे हम रोज बात करें दादा दादी वो है जो भले ही हमसे दूर हो पर हमेशा दिल के पास रहते हैं
कैसी है ये दूरी कैसी मजबूरी मैंने नजरों से तुझे छू लिया ओहो कभी तेरी खुशबू कभी तेरी बातें बिन मांगे ये जहां पा लिया तू ही दिल की है रौनक तू ही जन्मों की दौलत और कुछ ना जानू बस इतना ही जानू
जिनके केसों में चांदी और दिल में सोना है जिनके रातों की कहानी सुन के सपनों में खोना है उन्हें हम प्यार से दादा दादी और नाना नानी कहते हैं
तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं सजदे सर झुकता है यारा मैं क्या करूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं
ये कहानी दो ऐसे शख्स की है जिन्हें हम माँ और पिता कहते हैं जब एक रोटी की 4 टुकड़े हो और खाने वाले 5 तब मुझे भूख नहीं है ऐसे कहने वाली सिर्फ माँ होती है।
పెదవే పలికిన మాటల్లోనే తీయని మాటే అమ్మా, కదిలే దేవత అమ్మా, కంటికి వెలుగమ్మా. పెదవే పలికిన మాటల్లోనే తీయని మాటే అమ్మా, కదిలే దేవత అమ్మా, కంటికి వెలుగమ్మా. తనలో మమతే కలిపి పెడుతుంది ముద్దగా, తనలాలి పాటలోని సరిగమ పంచుతుంది ప్రేమ మధురిమ.
कभी रोटी तो कभी पानी है पिता, कभी बुढ़ापा तो कभी जवानी है पिता. माँ अगर है मासूम सी लोरी, कभी ना भूल पाओ ऐसी कहानी है पिता.
చిన్నారి తల్లి చిన్నారి తల్లి నా నింగి జాబిలి, నీ వెన్నెలంది వెలుగుతోంది నా గుండెలోగిలి, నీ ఊసులోనే ఉసురాడుతోంది నాన్న ఊపిరి, కాలాలు దాటి ఏనాటికైనా చేరాలి నీ దారి. ఎన్నాళ్ళు ఉన్నానంటూ ఏకాకి మాదిరి. ఆరారి రారో 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 ఆరారి రారో, ఆరారి రారో 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 ఆరారి రారో, ఆరారి రారో 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 ఆరారి రారో, ఆరారి రారో 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 ఆరారి రారో.
Thank you.
प्यार देते हैं, उनके होठों पर हमेशा दुआएं होती है. ऐसे करने वाले सिर्फ और सिर्फ हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स होते हैं.
तू ही तो जन्नत मेरी, तू ही मेरा जुनून, तू ही तो मन्नत मेरी, तू ही रूह का सुकून, तू ही अखियों की ठंडक, तू ही दिल की है दस्तक. और कुछ ना जानू मैं, बस इतना ही जानू.
भगवान हर कहीं नहीं हो सकता, इसीलिए उन्होंने नाना और नानी को बनाया.
तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं. तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं. सजदे सर झुकता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं. तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं.
दादा और दादी वो नहीं जिनसे हम रोज बात करें. दादा दादी वो है जो भले ही हमसे दूर हो पर हमेशा दिल के पास रहते हैं.
कैसी है ये दूरी, कैसी मजबूरी, मैंने नजरों से तुझे छू लिया. ओहो कभी तेरी खुशबू, कभी तेरी बातें बिन मांगे ये जहां पा लिया। तू ही दिल की है रौनक, तू ही जन्मों की दौलत, और कुछ ना जानू बस इतना ही जानू।
जिनके केसों में चांदी और दिल में सोना है, जिनके रातों की कहानी सुन के सपनों में खोना है, उन्हें हम प्यार से दादा दादी और नाना नानी कहते हैं।
तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं। सजदे सर झुकता है यारा मैं क्या करूं, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं।
ये कहानी दो ऐसे शख्स की है जिन्हें हम माँ और पिता कहते हैं। जब एक रोटी की 4 टुकड़े हो और खाने वाले 5, तब मुझे भूख नहीं है ऐसे कहने वाली सिर्फ माँ होती है।
పెదవే పలికిన మాటల్లోనే తీయని మాటే అమ్మా, కదిలే దేవత అమ్మా, కంటికి వెలుగమ్మా. పెదవే పలికిన మాటల్లోనే తీయని మాటే అమ్మా, కదిలే దేవత అమ్మా, కంటికి వెలుగమ్మా. తనలో మమతే కలిపి పెడుతుంది ముద్దగా, తనలాలి పాటలోని సరిగమ పంచుతుంది ప్రేమ మధురిమ.
कभी रोटी तो कभी पानी है पिता, कभी बुढ़ापा तो कभी जवानी है पिता। माँ अगर है मासूम सी लोरी, कभी ना भूल पाओ ऐसी कहानी है पिता।
చిన్నారి తల్లి చిన్నారి తల్లి నా నింగి జాబిలి, నీవెన్నెలంది వెలుగుతోంది నా గుండెలోగిలి. నీ ఊసులోనే ఉసురాడుతోంది నాన్న ఊపిరి, కాలాలు దాటి ఏనాటికైనా చేరాలి నీ దారి. ఎన్నాళ్ళు ఉన్నానంటే ఉన్నానంటూ ఏకాకి మాదిరి. ఆరారి రారో 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 ఆరారి రారో, ఆరారి రారో 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 ఆరారి రారో, ఆరారి రారో 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 ఆరారి రారో, ఆరారి రారో 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 ఆరారి రారో.
Thank you, children. Please give them a huge round of applause for this great performance. Now I call upon smart junior and senior boys performing on song Jamal Jamal and Bones. Participants of this song are Tejansh, Arthav, Shrestha, Jay Karthik, Snikit, Shreyansh, Pranav and Arush.
Give me some time to think. I'm in the bathroom looking at me. Facing the mirror is all I need. Wait until the Reaper takes my life. Never gonna get me out alive. I will live 1,000 million lives.
My patience is waning. Is this entertaining? My patience is waning. Is this entertaining? Got this feeling, and you know where I'm losing all control. Is this magic in my bones? Got this feeling in my soul. Go ahead and throw your stones. Is this magic in my bones?
Playing with the stick of dynamite. There was never gray and black and white. There was never wrong till there was right. Feeling like a boulder hurtling. Seeing all the vultures circling. Burning in the flames I'm working in. Turning in the bed it's darkening.
My patience is waning. Is this entertaining? My patience is waning. Is this entertaining?
Got this feeling, and you know where I'm losing all control. Is this magic in my bones? Got this feeling in my soul. Go ahead and throw your stones. Is this magic in my bones? Mirror of my mind, turning the pages of my life, walking the path so many paced 1,000,000 times. Drown out the voices in the air, leaving the ones that never cared. Picking the pieces up and building to the sky. My patience is waning. Is this entertaining? My patience is waning. Is this entertaining? Got this feeling, and you know where I'm losing all control. Is this magic in my bones? Got this feeling in my soul. Go ahead and throw your stones. Is this magic in my bones?
Okay, we'll play once again.
some time to think. I'm in the bathroom looking at me. Facing the mirror is all I need. Wait until the Reaper takes my life. Never gonna get me out alive. I will live 1,000 million lives.
My patience is waning. Is this entertaining? Our patience is waning. Is this entertaining? Got this feeling, and you know where I'm losing all control. Is this magic in my bones? Got this feeling in my soul. Go ahead and throw your stones. Is this magic in my bones?
Playing with the stick of dynamite. There was never gray and black and white. There was never wrong till there was right. Feeling like a boulder hurtling. Seeing all the vultures circling. Burning in the flames I'm working in. Turning in the bed it's darkening.
Our patience is waning. Is this entertaining? Our patience is waning. Is this entertaining? Got this feeling, and you know where I'm losing all control. Is this magic in my bones? Got this feeling in my soul. Go ahead and throw your stones. Is this magic in my bones?
Mirror of my mind, turning the pages of my life, walking the path so many paced 1,000,000 times. Drown out the voices in the air, leaving the ones that never cared. Picking the pieces up and building to the sky. My patience is waning. Is this entertaining? My patience is waning.
Is this entertaining? Got this feeling, and you know where I'm losing all control. Is this magic in my bones? Got this feeling in my soul. Go ahead and throw your stones. Is this magic in my bones?
Down, down, down.
Call upon Mr. Swami Garu to present the award.
Now we have academic awards for smart juniors. All-rounder award goes to Swara Virsinha Reddy. All-rounder. Round of applause. Star Rohit. Best Student Award goes to K.Y. Kiyansh. Best Student Award goes to Srihari Pranav. attendance goes to G. Samik. From audience, G. Samiksha, if available, please come down. Best attendance goes to G. Sisira Reddy. And she is also from audience. She is not a participant. Next is Nitya. Best attendance goes to Nitya. Now we have class award to brightest star award. And I request Mrs. Harika teacher along with the student to receive the award. Smart junior children. Over here, they are like not our students, but they have performed in all the songs. It's my daughter, younger daughter, she is M. Shrestha. And I request Mr. Anji Reddy Garu to present the award. To present the award, please come. Mother role who have performed like Paridhi, she has performed mother role. And also Mrs. Rajini. And I request Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu and Sushmita Garu to present Keshav Kumar. I request Chandra Garu, Rajni Garu and
Suhansika. Satvik. Tanvika, Gautam, Dhruvika,
Everybody mellow down right now.
Tejan, Shravani, Karthik, Shivanya, Snitik,
Everybody mellow down right now. Mellow down.
Naneshwari, Vignesh, Tanushri, Bhavyan, Ritvika, Vishnu, Anaya, Anaya, Umesh, Sahasra, Nandit, Nandit,
Now we have performance by smart senior children on their convocation ceremony.
Graduating class. As they turn the page to the next chapter of their lives, they'd like to say something very special to you. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Two little words, There's so many things you do. We just wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done.
Everybody mellow down right now. Mellow down.
Now we have special award to Miss Sharanya, and I request Ravindra Gaud Garu to present the award.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
but least we have a vote of thanks to some of the persons, like the beautiful program would not been possible without the support of some important people. I take this opportunity to thank everyone who has put tremendous effort in making this event a grand success. I would like to thank all my teachers and the support staff for their dedication, their time and efforts in making our children perform today. I would like to request Mr. Viju Master, our choreographer, for teaching our children wonderful dance performance. And I request Mr. Ravi Garu to present the award. Events for organizing a wonderful event. I request him to honor. Please come on to the dais, Mr. Kumar Garu. I would also like to thank Mr. Babu Garu and team for capturing this wonderful event. I request Mr. Babu Garu to please come on to the dais. Like to thank our non-teaching staff at most for their support, Rakesh, Nani and team. Last but not least, I thank all my parents for always being supportive and cooperative. Thank you everybody. Have a wonderful evening.